Meet your all-in-one cooking solution. Ninja Foodi 11-in-1 SmartLid multi-cooker. This cooker comes equipped with a deluxe reversible rack, a cook and crisp basket, and a pot that is always in the unit while cooking. Remember to wash these parts before first use. Let's start by sliding the SmartLid switch to choose your cooking mode. Here's how to use pressure mode. This function uses high heat and pressure to cook food faster. First, always use the handle above the slider to open or close the lid. Add your ingredients directly into the pot, and be sure to place the required accessory based on your recipe. Close the lid firmly and make sure the Smart Slider is set to pressure mode after closing the lid. Next, turn the pressure release valve to seal to build pressure. Turn from seal to vent for quick release. Once the pressure cooking is complete, your meal is ready to serve. This is how you use the Combi Steam mode. Slide the switch and turn the dial between steam and air fry or steam and bake functions. First, add the required water to the Combi cooker pan. Then place the reversible rack inside to prepare for steam and crisp cooking. Then you can enjoy a perfectly steamed and crispy finish with the steam and crisp function. This is how you use the air fry and hob mode. Switch to access functions like air fry, grill, bake, sear, and saute. Set your desired time and temperature, then press start. The display will show PRE as the cooker preheats or builds pressure. When the display shows end, your meal is ready to enjoy. Here's how to safely clean your multi-cooker. Unplug and let the cooker cool completely. Once the unit is cool, wipe down the base and control panel using a soft, damp cloth. To clean the pot and accessories, use a soft or silicone sponge, no abrasives needed. These parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Just place them inside the dishwasher and you're good to go. For a deep clean, fill the pot with water and select steam mode. Once the cycle ends, wipe the interior of the lid to remove any residue and keep your cooker fresh. Next, here's how to clean the lid and silicone ring to keep your cooker in top shape. Remove the silicone ring and anti-clog cap after each use. Wash it in warm, soapy water or in the dishwasher, then place them back gently. And just like that, your multi-cooker is ready whenever you are. Enjoy every meal with Ninja Foodi 11-in-1 SmartLid multi-cooker.